Did you know that experts predict the global real estate market will surpass $7.5 trillion by 2025? This staggering figure is a testament to the immense growth and potential within the industry. That's trillion with a T. Such a monumental number opens up a world of opportunities for savvy investors. This astounding growth signifies a golden opportunity for individuals like you to enter the real estate market and secure your financial future. Imagine owning properties that not only appreciate in value, but also generate a steady income stream. Now you might be wondering, why 2025? What makes this year so special compared to others? Well, several factors make this year pivotal. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the convergence of multiple favorable conditions. Interest rates are stabilizing, making financing more accessible. This means lower borrowing costs and better loan terms for buyers. Technological advancements are streamlining the investing process, from smart home innovations to user-friendly real estate apps that simplify property management. And the demand for housing continues to rise. More people are looking for homes, driving up property values and rental incomes. This perfect storm of positive market conditions makes 2025 the ideal time to take the plunge. The alignment of these factors creates a unique window of opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding the current landscape is crucial for maximizing your returns. Knowledge is power, and staying informed can make all the difference. Let's explore the exciting world of real estate investing and discover how you can capitalize on this incredible opportunity. The future is bright, and the time to act is now. Real estate investing is more than just buying property, it's about building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. Unlike the volatility of the stock market, real estate offers tangible assets that appreciate. This means your investment grows in value over time, providing you with a safety net and potential passive income. Investing in 2025, with its unique market dynamics, allows you to leverage these benefits from the get-go. Imagine owning a rental property that generates steady monthly income while appreciating. That's the power of real estate. But remember, real estate investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful planning, research, and a dash of patience. But don't worry, we'll guide you through every step, equipping you with the knowledge and confidence to succeed. Before diving headfirst into real estate, it's essential to debunk some common misconceptions that often deter potential investors. One prevalent myth is that you need to be wealthy to invest in real estate. While a significant amount of capital was once necessary, times have changed. Today, various financing options cater to different budgets and risk appetites, making real estate investing accessible to almost anyone. Another misconception is that real estate investing is passive. While it can generate passive income, it also requires active involvement, especially in the beginning stages. From property research and tenant management to property maintenance, being prepared to dedicate time and effort is crucial. Remember, knowledge is power. By dispelling these myths, you empower yourself to make informed decisions. While real estate investing offers tremendous potential, new investors often encounter challenges. One common hurdle is finding the right property. With countless options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why thorough market research is non-negotiable. Understanding market trends, neighborhood demographics, and property values will help you identify profitable opportunities. Another challenge is securing financing. Navigating the world of mortgages, interest rates, and loan options can feel daunting. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from mortgage brokers or financial advisors who can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation. Lastly, managing tenants and handling property maintenance can seem overwhelming. But remember, numerous resources and property management companies can assist you, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. Your roadmap to success, effective strategies for real estate investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these strategies will help you navigate the complex world of real estate. Now that you're aware of the potential challenges, let's equip you with effective strategies for a successful real estate journey. These strategies are designed to maximize your returns and minimize risks. First and foremost, thorough market research is paramount. Identify your target market, understand the local economy, and keep an eye on market trends. Research neighborhoods with high rental demand and growth potential. Look for areas with good schools, low crime rates, and upcoming developments. Analyze property values to ensure you're getting a good deal. Compare recent sales in the area and consider future appreciation potential. Next, explore your financing options. Traditional mortgages, FHA loans, and even private lending are available. Each option has its pros and cons. Private lending can offer more flexibility but often comes with higher interest rates. Weigh your options carefully. Assess your financial situation and choose an option that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. A well-structured financial plan is crucial. Once you've secured a property, consider professional property management. This can save you time and stress. While it requires an upfront cost, it relieves you of the day-to-day responsibilities of tenant screening, rent collection, and property upkeep. This allows you to focus on growing your portfolio. Remember, investing in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. By adopting these strategies, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Stay informed, stay patient, and watch your investments grow. The game changer, a key strategy for maximizing your returns. While numerous strategies can enhance your real estate investments, one stands out as a game changer: forced appreciation. Unlike natural appreciation, which relies on market forces, forced appreciation involves actively increasing your property's value through renovations, improvements, or even changing its use. For instance, renovating a dated kitchen or bathroom can significantly increase your property's market value and rental income. Similarly, converting an unused basement into a separate rental unit can generate additional cash flow. Forced appreciation puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to create value and accelerate your returns. By strategically implementing these value-add strategies, you're not just riding the wave of market appreciation but creating your own wave of success. Knowledge is power. Key takeaways for the savvy investor. In the world of real estate, staying informed is your greatest weapon. As we've explored the ins and outs of real estate investing, it's clear that knowledge is your most valuable asset. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make sound investment decisions. Remember, real estate investing offers incredible potential for financial freedom, especially in a prime year like 2025. The market is ripe with opportunities for those who are prepared. However, success requires dispelling myths, understanding potential challenges, and adopting effective strategies. Thorough market research, securing favorable financing, and staying updated on market trends are essential. Considering professional property management can also be a game changer, ensuring your investments are well maintained and profitable. This can save you time and stress in the long run. But the real game changer lies in embracing forced appreciation, actively adding value to your property to maximize returns. Renovations and upgrades can significantly boost your property's worth. As you embark on your real estate journey, remember that informed decisions are your best ally. Every choice you make should be backed by solid research and a clear understanding of the market. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced investors or financial advisors who can provide personalized advice. Their insights can help you navigate complex situations and avoid common pitfalls. The world of real estate investing awaits, and with the right knowledge and strategies, you can turn your dreams of financial freedom into a reality. Stay informed, stay strategic, and success will follow. Ready to build your empire? Congratulations on completing this beginner's guide to real estate investing. You're now equipped with the foundational knowledge to confidently navigate the exciting world of real estate. But this is just the beginning. The real learning begins when you take action. Start by researching your local market, exploring financing options, and connecting with experienced investors. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. What are your thoughts on real estate investing in 2025? Share your insights and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on building wealth and securing your financial future.